My name is Гордон Гийомье and I'm a designer. Working on design products was always something that interested me. I had started my career many years ago doing something else, and I realized that that wasn't what I wanted to do. And I always had this inkling inside me to this creative energy that I wanted to somehow bring out. A designer has got a vision, his own creativity, his own way of predicting and seeing things. Yeah, this capacity to look beyond the everyday reality. When a designer gets to terms with how to deal with dialoguing with an industrial or even a small production reality, then that is when the relationship clicks. When I started out, there was this approach of trying to defend at every cost my initial idea, my initial drawing, my initial sketch, my initial shape. The approach of the designer together with the people he's dealing with is very important to maximize the input that he gets from the outside to make his idea grow into something more realistic. Yeah? So the idea starts in the mind, then it's transmitted to the hand, onto paper, then to the computer, then it is discussed, and from that discussion it grows, the idea grows. And sometimes it grows in a way that it changes completely. The final word depends on the design, and the final judgment does depend very much on the designer. But in actual fact, the process, the development process, is very important. Everything is constantly changing. The capacity of a designer to accept these and to embrace them and to make them part of the project is an important capacity. E-commerce is really going to transform industry. It's going to transform industry, and it's going to obviously have consequences on the role of a designer. Then obviously material change. Mid-60s, 70s, when there was the invention of plastics, it revolutionized the whole outlook of design. And perhaps there will be another similar invention. Pratone by Gufram, which is an extraordinary piece of vision, which is very different to my outlook to design, my approach. Low Chair by Zanotta, a design piece which is a provocation, which is at the same time is so out of line with my vision of design.